Go ahead.
Okay, so in every pack of Pokemon things, you get one of these, and then you download the Pokemon Online app, and then you can redeem these to get a free pack. So let's see, and we're gonna do. Let's see, we'll do. Let's see. Oh, that one's cool. So that's it.